Hi all. So today I'm just going to solve the dissolution ka sum when three partners are there, and in that three partners, two partners are insolvent. So we are doing the two partners insolvency sum. So let's start the sum. So सबसे पहला तो we know that we just do posting. So we record everything on the ledger accounts. Partners capital, we have three partners. So liability side, buy balance brought down. So we record buy balance brought down. $65,000 and $15,000 for the Sweta and the Nupur. Okay. We don't have Sanika's capital account on the liability side, so we just write a dash over here. We have Sanika's capital on the asset side, so we record on the debit side. That is 2 balance brought down, and Sanika's amount is 10,000. Okay. After this, we'd like to record all the assets on the realization debit side. So we are having sundry assets 160. So we record on the realization debit side to transfer all assets. This is a heading. We have sundry assets worth rupees 160. There is only one item, so we keep in the outer column. Next is creditors, that is 95,000 rupees. So we record on the realization credit side. This is a posting we are doing, so one effect by transfer outside liabilities, that is we are having one is a sundry creditors, only one item, so we'll keep in the outer column directly 95,000. One more posting remaining, that is the opening balance of cash, that is 5,000. So obviously this will post to the cash bank account debit side to balance brought down 5,000. So after posting all the effects from the balance sheet given, now we can start with the adjustments. Very first adjustment, the firm dissolved on 31st March 19 and the assets realized 60% of the book value. So 60% of the 1,60,000 realize का मतलब बेचना assets को, realization credit side, buy cash or bank account, we'll write 60% of 1,60,000, that is coming to 96,000. So we record on the outer column, that is 96,000, and this 96,000 we are receiving. So इसका second effect जाएगा cash account के debit side. So cash account के debit में to realization account and outer column 96,000. Second adjustment, realization expenses 2,000 paid by Sweta, full stop. Now these expenses paid by Sweta, that means a partner is paying a realization expenses on behalf of the firm. So realization debit side to Sweta's capital, that is capital account. So we will write over here expenses 2000 rupees. Sweta is the giver, so we'll record partners capital credit side by writing by realization account in the Sweta's column 2000. The most important adjustment comes here that makes it different. Nupur and Sanika both are insolvent. So out of 3 partners, 2 partners are insolvents and Nupur's private estate has a surplus of 3000 and Sanika for rupees 8000. इसका मतलब उनका प्राइवेट एस्टेट बेचकर 3000 और 8000 इतना पैसा ही मिल सकता है. So partners capital credit side by cash or bank account, that is we'll write Nupur's column 3000 and Sanika's column that is 8000. इसका second effect comes in, debit what comes in to Nupur's capital account and to Sanika's capital account. So we'll write 3000 and 8000 respectively. Okay, now after having all the adjustment, we will close the realization looking to which side is heavier. So definitely we are having a loss over here, but before that we'll pay the creditors also. So to Tashore bank account, because the rule is that you have to pay outside liabilities before we close accounts, that is 95,000. So by realization account 95,000. Now closing the realization account, debit side is heavier, that is 2,57,000 is the total. Both the side, and minusing credit side we will have 66,000 loss. So if I minus from here, this and this will come 66,000. So answer is, this is a loss. By loss, transfer to partners capital, and will distribute among all 3 partners in the sharing ratio, and sharing ratio is given here 3:2:1. So we have to divide in the profit sharing ratio, that is 3 partners, Sweta, Nupur and Sanika. Though both partners are insolvent, then also we have to distribute the losses to all the partners in the said profit sharing ratio. So the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So we'll distribute to the partners, that is first partner 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. That is for the Sweta, Nupur and Sanika in the said ratio, that is 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6. इसका second effect, realization debit side to partners capital debit side to realization account bracket में loss 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. By closing the partners ledgers now, first we have to consider insolvent partners. So insolvent partners are, one is a Nupur and second is a Sanika. So first we close the Nupur's ledger. In the Nupur's ledger, debit is heavier. We make a total of the debit side, that is a 22,000. We write on the both the side 22,000 and minus credit side, that will give you 4,000. That will give you the 4,000. Okay, this is a balancing figure 4,000. Again we'll do the total of the Sanika. Sanika is again, debit is heavier by 21,000 is total. Putting both the side 21,000 and minus it, will get it 13,000 balancing figure. So we got two balances, one is a 4,000, one is a 13,000. We will write solvent partner's name, that is Shweta's capital account. So by passing the contra on the reverse debit side to Nupur's capital and to Sanika's capital account, but we'll write on the solvent partner. So solvent partner is Shweta, so 4,000 and 13,000 respectively. Now we close Shweta. Shweta's debit side is, I think so, the credit is heavier. It's look like a credit is heavier. So credit total is 67,000. So that is 67,000. And if I subtract or minus debit side, we'll get the answer of nearby 17,000. So that is a balance of the two cashier bank account, and that is 17,000. We'll post on the realization debit side, credit side by Shweta's capital account 17,000. After everything we've closed, now it's time to close the cash and bank account, and the total would be, on the credit side it is 1,12,000. On debit side also it's coming 1,12,000. So that's why cash and bank got tallied, so it should be equal. So that is how we are doing the sum right now. Dissolution when two partners are insolvent. Okay. So just revised. This is realization account. Realization account. First we close the realization. Second ledger we close partners capital by doing a treatment of solvent and insolvent. And third ledger we close cash and bank account, and we got tallied by 1,12,000, 1,12,000.